Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make fish nuggets. Start by selecting firm white fish, trim skin and bones, and cut uniform bite-sized pieces. Pat them completely dry, then season lightly with salt and pepper. Set up 3 stations with flour, beaten egg, and panko breadcrumbs. Coat pieces thoroughly and chill briefly to set the crust. Cook using your preferred method until golden and flaky, then serve hot. First, set up 3 stations for flour, beaten egg, and panko breadcrumbs and season each lightly. Dredge the pieces in flour, shake off excess, dip into egg, then press into panko until fully coated. Let the coated pieces rest on a rack for 5 to 10 minutes so the coating adheres properly. Fry in hot oil until golden or bake on a sheet for a lighter, still crisp finish. Serve warm. Heat oil to a steady temperature or preheat the oven for baking so cooking is consistent. Fry nuggets until deeply golden and the interior flakes easily, or bake on a sheet turning once for even browning. Use a thermometer if desired to ensure a safe internal temperature. Drain briefly on a rack to keep crispness, then serve with lemon wedges, tartar sauce, or a spicy dip for contrast and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.